guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thank you to Beauty Forever Hair for today's video. Oh, we got a bow. You guys know everybody's rocking bows. We have some HD wig cap, more wig cap, wig band, and some false nails that are beautiful. And now let's get to the wig. The wig is completely secure. This is the Bye Bye Knots wig. It's a 7x5 lace wig, FB30. I like color. We do have the tapes for glueless, and we have the wig band. And now this is the wig, well secure. This is a wear and go wig, so you can literally put this on and go, because they already made the curls and everything. Oh, look at that. Look at that parting. Super easy. The wig is completely lightweight. I love how juicy the curls are. So I'm super excited to install this. We do have the band that we can add on, and I'm definitely going to add it right now just so you guys know. This side you turn it down so it's not on your head. It's have two parts. It depends on how you want the wig. So here we go. 7x5. The lace is already cut. The curls are there. The highlight. The wig feels so good. And the length is, I think it's 24 inches. Yes, 24 inches. So the wig is well secure. I love that there's a comb around the back. Everybody know by now I love my wigs with a comb. Yes, absolutely love it. And then we can snug the wig because we have the built-in straps right there. So we're gonna go to installing the wig. The color is beautiful. Everything will be in the description, you guys know already. Let's get to install. Look at that lace. Alright guys, we are going to install the wig. I fit the wig on already. I did my makeup. I took it off and I did my makeup. Now we're going to put it on because it's real simple. There's curls in it already. I went ahead and I cut some of the hair. Look at that. All I need to do is bring it down. There is a comb. You guys know I love having a comb around the back so I can put it on there. But I need to clip it together.
You wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you.
We're done laying down the hair. I'm gonna put the banner on it and then put some curls at the front, and then we're done. It's a very simple wig. You guys can use the tape if you want. I didn't want to use the tape. I wanted it to have this look. So, alright, let's put the band around it, and then I'm going to put some curls in it. You guys are going to see. The wig is lightweight. I like that. It's not heavy. It's summertime, so we don't want any heavy wig around our head.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off, lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. If the truth is not hiding, that's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it would just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth, we done hiding.
This is what I shouldn't do. I should have waited till this dry before I try to take this off. Because it's going to be sticky. No, that's the problem. Alright, we are done. Easy. The hair is lightweight. I put some curls in it, and I did cut down the front a little bit. So this is how we're gonna wear it. So cute. The curls that I really care about was the ones at the front. Everything will be in the description. You guys can check it out. The link to the wig, their website, everything will be down below. So you guys can go check it out. If you want to put this up, you can do it. Even though it's a closure wig, you can do whatever you want with it because it's very lightweight. And the curls are not going anywhere because it already comes with curls. Absolutely love it. 24 inches. I did razor cut some at the front. So you guys can check the description for... You guys can check the description for the wig or their website and choose something. And I love the color. It's screaming. The color is screaming.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my